The last function on the top page is Pro Settings. This opens advanced options for better exposure, white balance, color, and many more. To turn on, just press once. Your Pro icon settings will appear on the top left on the screen. Page 1 divided into 4. First is the exposure, followed by color profile, then white balance, and lastly autofocus. Let's go to the next page. Also divided into 4, the sound channel, wind noise reduction, volume level, and directional audio. Let's go back to page 1. Let's check exposure function. You'll find the shutter speed at the top, or OK or confirm to save your settings, ISO on the top left, and option to change from auto to manual. By default, this is set to auto. If you prefer adjusting your shutter speed and ISO, you can select M for manual. Next is your white balance. White balance helps your image to look warmer or cooler depending on the light source. By default, this is set to auto. You can adjust manually by pressing M for manual. On the lower left is color profile. By default, this is set to normal. You can use the DJI d-clike if you prefer more adjustment on post-editing. Let me show you a sample video for easy understanding. On your left, normal, and on the right, d-clike color profile. To compare, if you use normal color profile, already provides good colors and may require less editing. And on the other hand, d-clike keeps shadows, highlights, and midtones for advanced color grading. The last function is autofocus. There are two options. Single focus, measure the focus only once, while continuous, focus the subject image constantly between the time. Page 2 on Pro settings. Top left is the sound channel. There are two options, stereo and mono. Mono signals are recorded and played back using a single audio channel, while stereo signals uses two audio channels. In mono, the sound is the same in both ears. In stereo, the sound can be played independently into different earphone or speaker outputs. The second function is the volume level. You can adjust the volume from low, medium, and high. Lower left is your wind noise reduction. This lessens the background noise, especially outdoor, where it is windy. Depending on your preference, you can turn on or off this function. The last function is what we call directional audio. Since DJI Pocket 2 has 4 microphones, you can select which microphone to disable or enable, whether front only, back and front, or all microphones. I have a sample here to test the sound channel and directional audio. Hey guys, I'm testing the channel of the Pro settings. I have set to mono and the direction of the mic set to all directions. So what do you think? Can you hear my voice? Is it clear? Mic test 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, this is another test of the Pro settings. I have set the channel to mono and then the mic direction to front. So what do you think? Can you hear my voice clearly? Hey guys, this is the third test of the Pro settings. I have set the channel to mono and the mic direction to front and back. So what do you think? Can you hear my voice clearly? Set channel to stereo, mic direction to all directions from left, right, front and back. So what do you think? Can you hear my voice clearly? Hey guys, this is another test of the Pro settings. I have set the channel to stereo and the mic to front. So what do you think? Can you hear my voice clearly? Now I have set the mic to front and back and then the channel to stereo. So what do you think? Can you hear my voice clearly? Is it good enough?